Good afternoon and welcome back to the workbench once more. Here we have a little video I'm just going to do quickly of repairing something, not electronic obviously, but well, there's a diode painted on this as you can see, but that's about as far as it goes in terms of electrical stuff. This is in fact a coaster made of glass that I made when I was a kid. It has little plastic feet on the bottom and has little glass fake rock thingies that go on the corners to stop the cup sliding off. Yeah, I made it when I was like maybe 12 or 13, I can't remember, but about then, intermediate school. It was like an after school thing. You could sign up for like various different classes. They had like different craft things. I forget what was available, but apparently I picked the one where you made glass coasters because, I don't know, working with glass sounded fun, I guess. Anyway, so I decided to do that, and that was the result. And I made a set of 4 of them. I still have 3. One got broken, unfortunately, but yeah. And this one, these bits have fallen off. Obviously, I think the original thing used hot glue, and you know, hot glue isn't the best thing for actually longevity. And given how old these things are now, I mean, yeah, as you can see, the paint is a bit worn. I probably could redo that at some point. But yeah, I'm just going to glue these back on. I'm going to use hot glue again because it lasted a long time the first time, and it's the easiest thing to put on, to be honest. And yeah, I don't think I want to put anything like really good epoxy or something, because in case I don't know, for some reason need to take them off again. I don't really see why that would happen, but you know, hot glue is, yeah, it's simple and easy to deal with. So yeah, I've already cleaned these with alcohol. I cleaned up the corners, get the dust and stuff off, and I cleaned the undersides of these to make them nice and clean again. It's quite funny actually, this one had 3 of these on it for a long time, and I didn't know where the 4th one went. I'm not sure if this one actually is from this, to be honest, but I found this in the potted plant that had been outside for a long time, and you can actually see the colour difference. I don't know if this was the original 4th one, or if it sat outside so long it got faded by the sun, or what, but the colour is close enough, so I'm going to use it. Anyway, so I'll get onto it. I don't really remember, like I said, I don't remember what glue was used. I think it was hot glue. It probably wasn't very much glue. But I've got a hot glue gun here, just a basic one from the hardware shop, Mitre 10 I believe, probably like $20 or something, but pretty good. It seems to work anyway. So yeah, I'll try to do this behind the camera. It's a bit annoying, but yeah, I guess I'll just squeeze a bit of glue on there and shove it on. And that take that strand off there. It's gone there. It seems to work. Yeah, seems to work all right indeed. Not entirely centered perfectly, but hey, neither is that one. So whatever. Do the same with this, I guess, and stick it on in the corner there. Let's get that out of the way. Take off that strand there, and yeah, there we go. We got all the things back on again. It's got a bit of dust on the top of that. Check the alignment. Yeah, it's could be better. These 3 look alright, and that one's kind of in a bit. Again, I mean, yeah, you could probably get some alcohol under that and loosen the glue and move it if I wanted to, but that's good enough to me. It's not like it's a amazing piece of art or anything. It's more of a functional piece. It works quite well as a coaster actually. You know, you've got the little feet on the bottom there and the things here, and yeah, overall it actually works pretty well. So there we go. That's fixed. Probably not the most interesting video to ever be made. But yeah. That's that. Gluing glass things on a piece of glass. Yes, you too can use hot glue to stick things together. It's a marvelous product. Anyway, that was fun. I'll make a more interesting video now. See you next time.